Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm in the Lawnmower Museum in Southport, Lancashire, England, down Shakespeare Street and Southport. Southport comes under, what's it?
Amazing to consider having the choice of
I don't know, I can't
or
remember.
second quality boots for a horse to walk on muddy fields. It shows how much quality mattered.
Oh, Merseyside, that's it. Aye, couldn't get my words out there, but anyway.
You'll see a vintage red lawnmower
Mental.
made by Shanks of Arbroath in Scotland. They made a pony. Many retired grounds.
The last time I was in here, I didn't take it all in as much as I am now.
They were owned by Brian May from the rock band Queen, Nicholas Parsons, famous TV and radio personality, Alan Titchmarsh, TV gardener and novelist, Hilda Ogden, Jean Alexander from TV's Coronation Street and Last of the Summer Line, Joe Pasquale, TV comedian, Paul O'Grady, alias Lily Savage, Fred Talbot, Granada TV weatherman, Roger McGough, famous poet, and many more. Tarrant and Oliver Reed.
Look at the impact of that. That is mental. Sit down lawnmowers. I'd love one of them if I had a big lawn. Aye, sit down one.
Grand Prix racing. There are 3 classes.
Absolutely crazy.
Type, sit behind, cylinder type, and run behind.
This place is
as much as your skill will allow, and far less expensive than other
the Rolls Royces of gardening.
The machines
lawnmowers. Ground force.
Covering 400 miles. The British Lawnmower Racing
you'd need an engineering degree to get them working, some of the petrol ones.
Recently returning from the USA, having beaten the Americans. In the 50s, rather than a lawnmower, we've all heard the household name Flying. A name synonymous for
Aye, but Brian May probably would have been a sir by now, but the Royals didn't believe in his activists against badgers. Aye, so that's why he's no sir. Good fact, that. Ah, that's a weird one. Today we're lawn mowing because it's grass. Aye, wow. Oh, who owns this one? Eric Markham. Huh? Eric Markham, eat your hair out. God. Huh. Crazy. Who owns this? A TV and radio presenter used this for more than just a minute. Oh, just a minute? Aye.
Try the machine as it was so light and easy to use. As lawn mowing in the past had always been the man's domain. We did one more thing.
Ah, there's the biggest one. That massive big one. The world's biggest lawnmower, 7 feet 10 and high, weighs 308. Wow. God, that's probably about 1.5 of me. Crazy.
In 1963, and also famous for making steam lawnmowers in 1893.
Steam ones? God.
Some models weighed nearly a ton, and they cost £90, an absolute fortune over 100 years ago. It could be operated by... We hope you enjoyed the trip around the museum. If you'd like to see more, or find some further information, unique film Lawnmower is available on DVD and video. It features Doug Miles, who is a direct descendant of the inventor of the lawnmower, with the lyrics and vocals telling the story of the lawnmower. Personal guided tours are available by the museum curator with more in-depth information. It's ideal for groups, university and educational study tours.
I'd love to go around the world in a camper van.
People who've given donations to the museum,
in a camper van and go to all the weirdest museums in the world. Apparently somewhere there's a pencil museum. I'd love to go to that. I could write about it afterwards.
It's a tribute to the garden machine industry.
James May, because in that workshop there, he probably took someone took it apart and then he showed you how we put it. back together.